In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Google AdSense support. If you've ever found yourself stuck, needing assistance but not quite sure how to get in touch with Google AdSense, you're definitely in the right place. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, and don't worry, it's going to take just about 5 minutes of your time. First up, you'll want to navigate over to the official Google AdSense website. This is where all your monetization efforts come to life, so it's a page you might be familiar with. If you're not there yet, just open up your browser and type in Google AdSense, and it should be the first result you see. Click on it and you'll find yourself at the doorstep of Google's advertising world. Now once you're on the Google AdSense landing page, locate the sign in button. It's usually prominently displayed near the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. You'll need to sign in using your Google account credentials, the same ones you use for your AdSense account. Input your email and password, and if all goes well and you remember your login details, you'll be whisked directly to the AdSense home dashboard. On the home dashboard, you'll want to continue by looking for the question mark icon. This is your gateway to getting help. It's typically found in the upper portion of the interface, often in a corner where help options are conveniently tucked away. Clicking on the question mark icon reveals additional support options, which is exactly what we're looking for. Next, a drop-down menu will appear with a variety of options. Give it a careful look, you'll see an option labelled Contact Us. This selection is your golden ticket to getting direct customer support. When you click on Contact Us, it will guide you through a series of prompts designed to help clarify your issue before getting you in touch with someone who can help. At this point, you may need to fill out a form describing the nature of your problem. Be clear and concise, as the more specific you are, the easier it will be for the support team to understand and address your issue. Provide any relevant details they might need to assist you more effectively. And there you have it. By the end of these steps, you should have successfully reached out to Google AdSense support. Always make sure to check your email or the updates section on your dashboard for any responses from the team. They are generally quite responsive, so you should hear back from them soon. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave them down below. Have a great day.